Hi guys, welcome back to Flowworks. Today we're going to be doing a massive 28 by 28 inch canvas and we have got 5 colours lined up today. Tea break. So we're going for this dark blue, we've got some metallic silver, also got some, but I'm not too sure the colour of this. I'm going to call this Mediterranean blue because it really looks like the sea. Also the copper. Yes, some copper. You're probably thinking, but the copper Jones is going to make it look rubbish. Probably will, but we'll see what happens. Will the copper make it look rubbish? Comment down below if you think the copper will make it look rubbish. We've got a really nice stretch canvas. It's like a drum. Dum, dum, dum. That's nice. And that's a bit of glue. We've also got some metallic pink, and again that's got some glitter in it, so that's going to make it look. I'm hoping it's all going to work, to tell you the truth. So one last swig of the tea. Yes, we do drink tea in this country. Let's stop dilly-dallying, guys, and let's get on with the Flowworks. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Push that notification bell, because without you pushing that notification bell, you will not get notified of these great pieces of art that I'm making for you guys. Also leave a comment if you want. Leave a comment about what paintings you like. Just ask me anything. I'll just answer anything. So yeah, let's go. Always get nervous at the start of one of these. I don't know why. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. That's good as well. Okay, let's get the show on the road. I'm going to actually pour slightly different to what I normally do. Normally I go around in the square, but this time I'm just going to start in the middle and do this. Some more on this side there. The only trouble doing these big canvases takes an awful lot of paint. Let's see if we can move this. Grab some water, chuck it in there. Give it a squirly squirly. Squirly squirly, squirly squirly. Dump some there, dump some there, dump some there. Just want to see if I can move this. Making loads of mess, so that always puts a smile on my face. That's a danger. I've got my mobile phone on the side, ready to get covered in paint. That in my pocket. Shocking. Give that a little blast. Okay, let's go for the pour. I get so nervous at the start of this. Okay, we're going to go for a puddle here, like so. The silver, quite a bit of silver. We're then going to go in with my favourite colour. Yes, it's like a cyan blue. Yeah, quite a bit of that, guys. Loving that pattern already. And I want this really in the middle, about there. Oh wow, look at that already. And this, I'm basically going to go around the outside of that piece already. So, just literally looking to go around the outside of all of that. Here we go. Loving this blue. This colour combination is yes. I love it. I love it. I'm going to get a bit more of this copper in here actually. We didn't add any pink in, did we? Let's get that in now. Just going to go down the middle again. So I love the gold and the pink in there. I think that's a really nice explosion of colour. I love the way it feathers round at the top and fades out down this way. That's quite a nice contrast of these two areas going on. Absolutely love the bluey green colour that comes in here, and the cells that are breaking up here look really cool. I love it. I just need to work on this side, get this side running nicely down. Yeah, I'm happy with that. There is a nice flow works. Okay guys, I think I'm done with this one. I think I'm going to call this one Natural Birth. I'll give you the meaning behind my thought behind that. So clearly when you have a child for the first time, or your second child, and you don't want to know the gender of your child, you'll either paint the bedroom like a neutral colour, where this painting would basically be ideal because it could either be a girl for the pink or it could be blue for the boy. So I've fused those colours together in this painting. It's called Natural Birth. I absolutely love the pink and the copper together, mixing that pink into the blue and then into my favourite sort of colour of the blue, and then into a nice deep blue, all fading off with some negative space here and there. Remember guys, comment down below if you like this painting, or comment down below if you don't like this painting. Give it a thumbs up or give it a thumbs down so I can gauge from my viewers what type of painting I should do in my next video. Until then, happy painting guys.